Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Space. How are you? I hope you're well. So today I'm going to be cleaning my bedroom and my kids room. So if you want to see how I do this, I want you to keep watching. Hello everyone, so this is my room. This is the way I got up this morning. Before I dressed my kids, I went to drop them at school. Woke up this morning, I have not made the bed, so this is how it is. So I'm going to be cleaning this room, you know, the mirrors, the floor and everything. So I want you to enjoy watching, like and subscribe to my channel. So keep watching. This room was arranged yesterday. You know, I already arranged this room yesterday because I tried to arrange it as much as I can so it's not too dirty or scattered. Now over to my kids room. My three kids use this room, and they woke up this morning and they've gone to school. So before they return, I just want to mop the floors and then vacuum the carpets and arrange their beds before they return back from school. So I'll be doing that in this video. I'm very happy to make this video, and I also hope that you are happy to watch it. So keep watching. In this kids room yesterday, I did a little work here yesterday, put some few things together. So today I just want to be cleaning the wardrobes, mopping the floors, and then especially changing the sheets. That is what I want to do here today, because the sheets have been on for a while, so they need a change. So that is what I'm going to be doing in this video. center table, so I moved it over to the kids room because the kids, they got it broken under it. The legs got broken, so it's no longer safe in the living room. So I brought it here because I know they won't be using it too often here. So that is why I moved that center table to the living room. So this is how my kids' room look after cleaning. This is the final look of my kids' room and my bedroom after cleaning. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Until we meet again next time. Bye bye and stay blessed.